the Guna about Prambanan Temple. Prambanan Temple is the most beautiful Hindu temple in Southeast Asia. Prambanan is derived from two words, para and Brahma. Para means many and Brahmana means present, so Prambanan is many. Present, it was built in 9th century by Raka Pikatan from Hindu dynasty in 1006. There was a natural disaster and earthquake and Merapi volcano eruption. This temple covered by many there and asset during 700 years alone. Now we are in one level. There are 16 temples. In every internet we have a small temple. We have 4 internet temples. The function is to protect the bad spirits, because one level is the holy level. Every corner there is a small temple also. We call in corner temple. There are 3 main temples. In the middle Shiva temple with 47-meter height and has 4 rooms. On the left side Brahma temple with 37-meter height and has only 1 room and 1 statue. On the right side is Vishnu temple with 37-meter height and has only 1 room and 1 statue. In front of main temple there are 3 transportation temple or reading animal temple, namely Swan, Nandi and Garuda temple. But only the statue of Nandi we can see in the room to Apat temple. Its main guardian temple on in the south and the other one in the north. Have you been to Borobudur? Why? If you come to Borobudur, you can find the structure like this. We name it stupa and inside it there was the statue of Buddha. But this temple is not stupa but ratna, a symbol of party like a linga and yoni. In every corner temple we can find the structure like this. The name is Jalat Durga. For the irrigation system, when the hard raining, the water not entered the temple, but the water gets out from hole and fell down to this one level, and the water flow to the second level and 3 level and flow to Upa river behind this temple. And from the river the water flow to the sea, and because sun like the water go up to the sky. The function to protect the temple from the thunder. Before we going to Shiva temple, we going to Nandi temple first. We are now in the room Nandi temple. There are 3 statues here. In the middle is bull or Nandi in the transportation of Shiva. The statue is facing to Shiva temple. The bull is holy animal. In Bali and India, Hindus people did eat cow meat because cow is holy animal. The statue is made from 1 pieces of stone, about 3,000 kilograms. The question is how the people in the past get it the stone here, because there was no crane. This is only the bamboo scaffolding with the control. We make freeze the statue here and then the wall. Nandi has a big head. The symbol is of power. If we see the head very smooth, because we people coming here, they touch the head of Nandi 3 times with the right hand to get a lucky induce people think when some wish we say to Nandi earth, and later the Nandi send our message to Shiva, and then Shiva give us that when we send the Nandi we can see two small statues. One the left is good of the sun or Surya, stand on lotus flower and carried by seven horse, symbol seven rainbow. On the right side the status the good of moon or Chandra, stand on lotus flower and carried by ten horse, symbol wind direction. Before we going to the second room, will we go to the second room? I will explain for you about Ramayana relief with carving on the inside wall of the balustrades of Shiva temple, continued on balustrade of Brahma temple. It should be kept in mind that the story of Ramayana has to be followed according to the clock which named as Pratiksana means moving to the things. Now we are in the second room. We can see the status of Shiva Mahaguru. He has a long moustache and beard and also big belly, symbol of wisdom in the right hand holding the Rosanity. Now we are in the three room. We can see statue of Ganesha, the son of Shiva with elephant head and human body, the god of handsome and also the god of protector, because behind this temple there is the big river. The people think if the river floating, Ganesha can take the water from his trunk. His attributes like his father in the first room. Now we are in the last room. We can see the status of Durga, the wife of Shiva. She has 9 hands. She stands on the bull Mahisa. The bull is reincarnation for Asura small giant. The her full name Durga Mahisa Asura Mardini. It means Durga can kill the bull, the reincarnation of Asura. The next story of Shiva temple. In the side of Val Shiva temple there is the special motif of Prambanan temple. We can find this motif only in the Prambanan temple complex. Prambanan motif consists of lion in the middle, symbol of power, flanked by two heaven birds, Kinari and Kinara, symbolis male and female, under the tree of Kalpatru. And now we're in the Brahmana temple. We can see the status of Brahma, the god of creator. He has 4 arms and 4 faces, symbols of wind direction or 4 elements of life: water, fire, earth, air. He's standing on lotus flower and facing to the sunrise. The last information in Prambanan temple. And now we're in the Vishnu temple. This temple also 37 meter high. Vishnu is the god of the protector. He has 4 arms and on the right back hand break the weapon like a boomerang, about of in Australia.